Okay, here's a John Deere 43 or 4400, and I had a no start. Landed up being more and more often. It didn't want to start, and as soon as cold weather would hit, it I guess landed up not starting. So I looked a little bit online, and fuel solenoid has a retractor that retracts back and back. From what I can understand, it takes a heat. It takes way more power to engage than to reset. So but that's what they said. That's a little bit more of an expensive part. Now they said that this thing might be it, and it is a little thermostat there, that little yellow thing, and it's behind your fuse panel, and it's actually very annoying to get to, and I didn't do the best job putting it back together yet, but I'll change that. And now here's the other one, the old one. And as soon as I changed that, it started just like that. And it landed up going a whole bunch of different. So it turned. Let's see if I can turn it here while holding it. And then it starts right away with no problems. And that was just that little microchip. It's about an $11 part. Landed up being right there behind the fuse panel, and now it's automatic start right away. So just education for you. Hope to see you.